Hi everyone. Welcome to the series Quant Revision for Cat. Today our topic is AM, GM, HM. So we are going to find the inequalities like AM greater than or equal to GM greater than or equal to HM. Let A and B are two positive real numbers, and here AM means arithmetic mean, which is A average of A and B, A plus B by 2 is greater than or equal to GM, which is root of AB, which is greater than or equal to HM, 2AB by A plus B. Okay. So here equality holds only when A equals to B. Equality holds only when A equals to B. Okay. So normally, what kind of questions cat asks? I will give you some examples, and if you follow all these examples, it's more than enough in this concept. Okay. The first example is A B square C, which is equals to 3 2 4. A plus B plus C minimum. You have to, given that a into b square into c equals to 324. We have to find the minimum value of a plus b plus c. So okay, here if you observe one thing, you have to find the value of a plus b plus c, right? But here it is given that b square. Normally, to apply am and gm inequality, here to get b square, we have to take a comma b by 2 comma b by 2 comma c. For this, if we apply am greater than or equal to 0, which is a plus b by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 4 greater than or equal to fourth root of a b square c by 2 square. Okay, this is the normal method in which we can do. So another method is, since we have this thing equality holds only when a equals to b. So here also we can, so if you want to find the maximum value, it's not possible. But to find the minimum value, when we'll find the minimum value when a equals to b by 2 equals to c, a equals to b by 2 equals to c. When these values are equal, only then, okay, only then and only then we'll find the minimum value. So a equals to b by 2 equals to c. Let it equals to be k, and so solve this and this, we'll get the value of a, b, and c. Okay, so after getting a, b, and c, just put those values here, and we'll find the minimum value of a plus b plus c. Okay, that's it. That is how we can simply get it. So remember this. Since it is given b square here, we have to divide it into two variables. If it is given b cubes, we have to divide it into b by 3, b by 3, b by 3. So after that, we have to equate a equals to b by 3 equals to c. Okay, let's take another example. Given that a b c cube equals to 36. Okay, it is asked that a plus 3b plus 2c minimum value. Okay, how are we going to do this? So irrespective of what they are asking here, irrespective of the coefficient here, we have to once observe the powers here. Since a has power 1, and here also as we consider the coefficient, a has coefficient of 1. For b, sorry, for b, since b has power 1, which means we have to include only one value, 3b. C has power 3. That means we have to include three terms using C. Okay. So similarly, similar to the previous question, we can do it like you can what do you say? You can do AM greater than or equal to GM, but we can simply equate all these three. So A equals to 3B equals to 2C by 3. We can equate these also. You can just substitute them here, and we can solve this for this one. Okay, so you can do this also. And another example is, let's take another example. Given that 5x cube plus 1 by 2x, we have to find the minimum value of 5x cube and 1 by 2x. Okay, given that x is greater than 0. Given that x is greater than 0, how are we going to find this? If you observe one thing, in denominator we are only having x, coefficient is x here, but in the numerator we are having coefficient as x cube. So take some terms like 5x cube. Since we have to compensate this x cube, we need three terms in the denominator, right? So take 1 by 6x, 1 by 6x, 1 by 6x. How are we going to know that 1 by 6x? Since it is given that 1 by 2x into, so multiply and divide it by 3, we are getting that 3 by 6x. So for three terms, 1 by 6x, 1 by 6x, 1 by 6x. We are applying am greater than or equals to gm. 5x cube plus 1 by 2x greater than or equals to 4 into 5x cube plus 1 by 6x into 1 by 6x whole cube. Okay. So simply you can use this also, or else you can use this. You can simply equate these two. 5x cube equals to 1 by 6x. So x power 4 equals to 1 by 30. So from this, find the value of x and you can put it here also. So both will work. And another, so what is this concept is? This concept which I have explained is, uh, like, given something like a plus b equals to constant and a power x into b power y, we have to find the value of maximum value of this. Then how I can find is a by x equals to b by y. So using this, we'll find the value of, uh, just put it here and you will find the value of a and b. Okay. So putting it here, you'll find the value of a and b. You can substitute here and you will get it simply. Okay. Um, that's it about this topic, AM and GM. Let's take another example. Given that a plus b equals to 20, and if they are asking maximum value of a square into b, maximum value, how will you do if a by 2 equals to b? Put it here, b equals to a by 2, 3a by 2 equals to 20, a equals to 40 by 3, comma b equals to 20 by 3. B equals to 20 by 3. Okay. So a equals to 40 by 3 and b equals to 20 by 3. So simply just substitute here and you'll find the value of a square b maximum value. So that's it about today's video. If in the next video I will try to cover Cauchy squares inequality and reminders theorem and modulus theorems. Okay, that's it about today's video. Bye.